Welcome to App Junkie. App Junkie provides fast, easy and informative answers to your app-related questions. The subject that we'll be discussing in this video will be getting verified on Twitter. How to get a blue checkmark 2022 update. Twitter is one of the most popular social networking platforms with over 450 million monthly active users. The platform is a great way to connect with friends, family and other like-minded people. It's also a great tool for businesses and professionals to promote their brand and connect with potential customers. If you are a business or professional looking to promote your brand on Twitter, then you'll want to get verified. Having a blue checkmark next to your name on Twitter shows that you are an authoritative figure and can help you significantly grow your brand. In this video, we'll show you how to get verified on Twitter and get that all-important blue checkmark. To quickly review the steps to get verified on Twitter: 1. Check to see if your profile satisfies Twitter's activity standards. 2. In your account settings, scroll down until you see the Request Verification option, then tap on it. 3. Select the right category that describes who you are. 4. Provide proof that you've selected the right category, for example, your official website, articles about you, and so on. 5. Provide a government-issued ID, an official email address, or website to verify your identity. 6. Click Submit and wait for a response from Twitter. Keep in mind that getting verified on Twitter is not a guarantee, and the process can take some time. However, by following these steps and providing all the necessary information, you can increase your chances of getting verified. Good luck! We hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting you closer to getting verified on Twitter. If you found this video useful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.